To be
Yes.
yourself in the world that is constantly trying to make you someone else, it is the greatest achievement. Hi ma'am, good
Yeah,
morning.
indeed. Good morning, Deepali. Good to see you. I think we are meeting for the first time, isn't it?
Yes, yes, we are meeting for the first time. So can you
Mm.
please introduce yourself as well?
Yes. Gladly, my name is Rekha Sharma, connecting you from the capital of India, Delhi. But originally, I'm from Uttarakhand, from Kumaon region, from the beauty of hills, talking about my education, BCom, B.Ed, and CTED qualified, running a YouTube channel named English with RVS, where I'm growing and helping others to grow. On top of that, meditation, yoga, that is the core of interest of my life. Married, having twin babies, so that is all about my glimpse of introduction.
Oh my God, it was a lovely introduction. Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. So do you want I to introduce myself?
Yes, of course, because I don't know who is Dipali. Only I know that you have a name, beautiful name, that is Dipali.
Oh my God, thank you so much. You have golden heart. So my name is Deepali and I'm from Maharashtra, Amaravati. I have completed my post graduation. I am a farmer's daughter. I live in a very small village.
Mm-hmm.
And I love to make drawings. I love to spend my time in nature. And it is summer, so I have request to everyone please serve water and food to birds. And I love to learn languages. I can speak three languages. Marathi is my mother tongue. Second is Hindi and English. I am on the way and
Mm-hmm.
improving it. And yes, I also like to watch podcast.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and documentary as well. So this is all
Okay.
about me. Yes.
Mm. Great to know that. Great to know that. I can see that, beautiful quote behind you. Dream big, start small, act now.
Yes.
So that is for yourself to motivate.
Yes. I always
Mm-hmm.
feel motivation. I always get motivated when I watch someone they are doing great in their life, and that push me to do better in my life. So I always make some quotation as well. So that keeps me to work hard, and I always give my best to work better than yesterday.
Great. To make myself motivate, what I do actually, I just remind my responsibility and do duties towards my family, towards my career growth, towards my personality development. That really help me to motivate because I believe, motivation should be, within you. It is actually within you. But yes, every people has their own choice. Every people has each to their own towards motivation. If you are
Yes.
getting motivation by that code, that's great, right? If I'm getting motivated by some other things which I have generated for myself, that's another
Yes.
path.
I love that the way you have said that you get motivation from responsibilities. These
Yes.
days, people don't want to take responsibilities.
Hmm.
And you have said opposite of it. Oh my God, you win my heart.
Why I'm saying it because I've been asked many time, ma'am, that you are a YouTuber, you have twin baby, you are running, you are giving up classes as well. So how do you motivate yourself? So for them, I have only one answer, and I follow one thumb rule in my life. That is, the first thing is keep yourself disciplined, right? If you are disciplined, then you don't need anything around you to motivate yourself. That is my personal choice. And second thing is always keep one thing in your head: your responsibility, your duties is calling you all the time.
Yeah. So I have also one more question to ask about motivation. So who is your motivation? Who is your idol? And who inspired you to do better in your life?
Nobody inspired me, first of all. I don't want to give that privilege and that, that beautiful tag to anyone. I would like to take this for me only. Like I said, that I'm a self motivated person. I motivate myself by my work. I
Yes.
motivate myself to be a better person what I was earlier. So
Hmm.
that is, that inner source, I would say.
Yes, I heard a beautiful quote says that motivation is a crap, it comes and goes. You can't say
Mm-hmm.
that you feel motivated because you are listening to someone has done something great in their life. Yes,
Yes.
you will listen to the motivational speaker, then
Mm.
that motivation will stay only for minutes, for months, and after some time it will go away. So
Yes.
yes, and you said well that you get motivation by yourself. You learn something from your past experiences, and you indulge your that experiences into your life, and you learn something from it. Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, yes. One thing we need to understand that whatever is happening in your life and whatever you did in your past, you can't
Mm-hmm.
change your past because
Yes,
past is history, right? You can't
yes,
undone, you can't erase it, right? Instead of
mm-hmm.
dwelling yourself into what could be altered or what can be altered, right?
Yes,
Try to learn from your mistake, make it as your stepping stone, right? Because
mm-hmm.
every day come with a lot of challenges, right?
Mm-hmm.
And every challenge make you a better person what you were earlier.
Yes. Do you believe time flies?
Ah, yes, time flies, of course. I do believe in that. And I would say I've been waiting for my time since
Hmm.
long. After 10 years, I got my me time. And like you said that, time fly away. Of course, time fly away. The thing is that you need to, understand and you need to recognize that this is your time. That
Yes.
is most important. If you understood that this time is belong to you, that means
Mm-hmm.
you are going to hit hardly towards your achievement, towards your goal.
Mm-hmm. How do you manage your time as well? Do you make timetables?
Yes, I am good at time management because I wake up around 4:30. The
Oh
first
my
thing is
God, that's good.
yes. Like I told you that my responsibility, my work, and to work for myself always
Yes.
motivate. So I wake up 4:30. I try to finish my work on time, not on time, in time, I would say. And I need to pamper myself, so I just sneak out the time for myself, indulging
Mm-hmm.
in good activities like yoga, meditation, breathing exercise. That's how
Yeah.
I keep myself motivated, fit, and confident person.
In the world of social medias, we can say the time flies when you have fun. But when you want to do something, organize and something productive, so that time we think that I don't have time for it.
You
We
know,
always.
yeah, yes. Before connecting to you, I was reading my notes. That
Mm-hmm.
note actually prepared by me. I was
Mm-hmm.
reading. As I got the message from you that I was connected with someone, I thought, oh my God, now time is going to be fly away. Let's just keep aside. Let me just connect first, with the Dipali, and later on I will finish my chapter this because I need
Yeah.
to finish it. Like
Mm-hmm.
you asked me the question, do you follow some chart out day or do you do, make some list for your work? Of course, I do it. I go with my to-do list. Yes, I go with my to-do list. Just think that whatever is coming on topmost priority, I shuffle my work accordingly.
Mm-hmm. So, ma'am, I just want to know that do you think that social media is the reason of lethargic mindsets?
So up to some extent, earlier I was a homebody, right? I was not, I was not on the social media platform. But
Mm-hmm.
ever since I created my YouTube channel, I was on Insta, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere, right? So what happened that time? It was like a flood for me. It was like it. I was feeling like that they are ruining my life. They are ruining my peace, and I am becoming bit sluggish. But the thing is that it is just it is a game of your mindset. That's what I believe. It is just a game of your mindset. All you need to understand that how much time you have to give to the social media to your work. If you have that power of controlling yourself, your mind, and then I will say that nobody has that much dare to interfere in your life. It may be a social media, or it may be anything.
So, ma'am, do you think that because of social media, we started to compare oneself to others, that others are doing better than us, and that makes us demotivated? And how to deal with this if someone is facing this issue?
Of course, people are comparing their self because I don't want to go far away. I just want to give you my example here. When I started my YouTube channel, people are comparing me. People start comparing my to me to someone else, right? And they were saying, ma'am, you are good at this language, right? Still, you are not getting the views, the subscriber, and all that, and everything, right? I do have that plethora of emotion. I started comparing myself to the other. But over the period of time, I realized that, by comparing myself, I'm harming myself, my personality. I need to understand one thing, that I am a different from others. I can't be like Dipali, and Dipali can't be like me, right? If Dipali has a beautiful qualities, maybe I don't have that qualities, right? So
Yes.
in this
Mm-hmm.
world, all creatures, all human beings are different from others. So there is no point to
Mm-hmm.
comparison. But if people are comparing
Yes.
themselves, they need to understand that the one thing, if you are comparing yourself, that means you are ruining yourself, your personality, and as well as your professional
Mm-hmm.
front. Because comparison is
Yes.
like that. It starts when you born, right?
Mm-hmm.
Comparison starts when you
Mm-hmm.
go to the school. Comparison start when you go to
Yes.
the college. Comparison start when you
Mm-hmm.
go to the office, right? So comparison
Mm-hmm.
is everywhere. All we need to
Yes.
divide that comparison into two part. One is constructive, another one is destructive. If you will take the
Yes.
comparison in a destructive way, that means you are destructing your life and the other people life as well. If you are taking in a constructive way, that means you are one step ahead and you are improving in your life. So take it in a constructive
Yeah.
way.
You have beautifully says that we tend to compare oneself to others, so it
Hmm.
is we should not do that because we individual has a different identity. We can't deny it. Otherwise, we don't have existence. We
Yes.
should be different, right? So,
Yes.
there is one beautiful quote, ma'am. I want to tell you to be
Yes.
yourself in the world that is constantly trying to make you someone else. It is the greatest achievement.
Yeah, indeed, indeed, indeed. I wanted to tell you one more beautiful quote. I read that, and I used to say it to the people every time that earlier I was a clever person because I want to change the society. I want to work for the world.
Oh
Right?
my
Now
God.
I'm a wise person because I'm working for myself, for my personality. So now decide, what do you want to be? You want to be clever or a wise
Yes.
person? But I chose for myself wise. I want to become a wise person.
Yeah. So, ma'am, do you like to read books? Do you read books?
No, no. I hate reading. That is the one habit I'm not able to inculcate in my life, but I listen a lot.
So, do you like to listen to podcasts or do you watch movies or web series, Netflix? What kind of content do you consume to improve your spoken English?
Okay, I'm not a movie buff person, first of all, right? I listen a lot in which I feel relatability, in which I feel in tune with, in which I feel connection. Or it may be motivational, it may be any podcast, it may be native speaker. So I have not confined myself, my boundaries. I'm not into the cage. I just want to soar my wings and fly high to grasp the knowledge. I want to squeeze each and every drop of the knowledge until my last breath.
Wow. So, ma'am, do you want to share some channels that you are following to enhance your communication skills?
No, I'm not following any channel. So sorry. And second thing, I told you, I listen a lot in which I feel it has something. कुछ भी हो
Yes.
सकता है. It may be anything. It may be
Yeah.
your channel as well. Like,
Yes.
suppose,
Yeah.
let me just give you example. Today
Mm-hmm.
morning,
Mm-hmm.
I was scrolling my mobile and I
Mm-hmm.
came across there is a girl, Dipali, and she has a channel and
Mm-hmm.
she believed to aspire a good content. So let me just
Yeah.
have a so of course
Mm-hmm.
I will follow your channel because you have
Yeah.
potential. So I have, like I told you, I have not confined my boundaries for it.
Hmm. It happens we only follow those are popular, and sometimes we only follow because someone insists us to follow that channel, but we are not interested in that channel at all. We should
Mm,
follow those which actually help us, and we feel like that something is there and something is different in that person that I will learn lots of things. Maybe it's
yes.
my channel, your channel, or whatever it is. Maybe I'm a beginner YouTuber. Maybe that person is not a beginner,
Anything.
just Yeah, the
Yes.
intermediate or.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
every people has a beautiful quality and value to
Yes.
add it in this world, right?
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
I, like I told you, I don't want to cage myself. मैं
Yeah.
पंख फैलाना चाहती हूँ. If you are giving, if you are giving, if you are giving a good content to me, I want to
Mm-hmm.
become a learner. I want to grasp it, right?
Yes.
So I should
Yeah.
have that preconceived notion. I want to flaunt that notion. Always
Mm-hmm.
like a beginner, always like a learner. If you are a
Yeah.
learner, then you will accept the things. If you
Yeah.
will, if you are sitting on high horse, like I am
Mm-hmm.
superior, no, I don't need to learn that, then you will not learn it. You will create that
Yeah.
stoppage for yourself. So be a person who always ready to grasp the thing.
Yes. I agree, ma'am. Ma'am, do you know about hedonic treadmill as well? I will give you one example, and that is how you will understand the concept. Hedonic
Mm-hmm.
treadmill means you wanted to achieve something in your life. Maybe you are 12 standard students and you want to crack good score, and
Okay.
you have cracked well in that exam as well. You have done good in your exams.
Mm-hmm.
After passing that exam, you will compare yourself to others. That you have
Mm-hmm.
also mentioned it earlier.
Uh-huh.
Uh, we started to compare with ourselves with others. So
Mm-hmm.
we feel like that we are not doing major as such,
Mm-hmm.
and we lost oneself in that demotivation that others are also doing better than me. What I'm doing, I haven't
Mm-hmm.
achieved major as such. So we started to
Uh-huh.
compare ourselves. So it is called
Uh-huh.
hidden value. Whatever
All.
we achieve, after some
Mm.
time we get back to baseline.
Okay. In all, you are saying that you can start comparing yourself.
Yeah, you can say like this. Whatever
Oh.
you have achieved, you feel like that you haven't achieved major as such, and you get back to your baseline. Maybe you own a lottery, and after
Mm.
some time, you will feel like you will enjoy at very initial days, and when it 1 month, second month, and third month, and when time flies, and with time, you will get back to baseline.
Okay,
That
I'll
is.
give you the example. I'll give you the example of, like you said that, when I was in my 20s, when I passed my graduation, I
Mhm.
cleared twice, not once, twice center government exam from Delhi.
Oh God.
Right. Yes. Yes, I was on merit list that time. And you won't believe it, that time I was into the zone. I was telling to myself I did, I worked upon lot. I did,
Uh-huh.
I gave best foot forward, right? I went extra mile, I bite the bullets, but still I'm
Mhm.
on the same pace. I think this is the best example.
Yeah, you have just hit the nail on the head.
Yes, I was thinking like that. Oh, I worked a lot. I was on, merit list, and still
Mhm.
I am getting that goose egg, right?
Mhm.
I am on the same pace. So I will start comparing कि भाई मैं उसी level पे हूँ. I am on the same pace. I think nothing.
It happens with me as well. Like whenever I look back and I think that Deepali, how much you have improved in your in on your way, on your
Mm.
English communication. So sometimes we see that other are speaking much better than you. So then
Mhm.
that time you compare yourself to others, so you feel demotivated, you feel lethargy. So it is good
Mm.
that you are comparing yourself with others because you actually need to improve in your life. If you are
Mm.
satisfied what you are doing right now, so you will not improve a lot. You are not ready to accept the challenges, so you will
Yes,
learn different things.
yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Your ultimate, competitor should be your competition with yourself only. Why?
Yeah.
Because you need to answerable to yourself, not to the others. Don't expect that executive validation from others. Don't
Yes.
allow people to dictate on you for your values, for your work.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you are doing, you should have that much confidence. I mean, moderate confidence. I'm not talking about overconfidence. Moderate confidence that whatever you are doing, this is the best thing.
Yeah, it is. It doesn't happen with us. Sometimes we feel demotivated by comparing oneself to others,
Yes.
and we have that hesitation that if I stay on the same page, so my how would be my life look like? We always worry about the future. Because of
Yes.
that, future results, we are worried about it and we want to do better than others
Mhm.
and better than oneself as well.
Mhm.
We are human and it happens with humans. Yeah.
Yes, of course, indeed.
Yeah. So thank you so much for ma'am for joining this session, and I actually have learned lots of things from you. And I love the way you are speaking. You are expressive, and things about
Thank
books. You don't like to read books, but you have your own way to practice your English, and you are speaking amazing without reading books. Some people are there; they think that reading will help them, but this is not a case. Things works for differently for different people. Yeah.
Of course,
Yes.
indeed, and well said. On this positive note, I would like to
Mm-hmm.
conclude this conversation by saying
Yeah.
whatever the best, and whatever the favorite skill you have, it may be listening, writing, anything, just
Mm-hmm.
go with it. Don't
Yes.
be in the zone of indecisive way, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Make your path clear to learn this language. This is the only way to learn this language. Don't compare yourself.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining this session. And bye, ma'am. Have a great day.
Bye bye. Have a great day to you too.